Orecchiette with broccoli rabe and Italian sausage, inspired by Stanley Tucci's original 5-ingredient broccoli rabe pasta. Same rustic charm, but with a savory, meaty depth. This twist on the recipe Tucci developed with his mother Joan replaces anchovies with hearty Italian sausage and Romano cheese for a rich, comforting pasta. You'll need 1 pound orecchiette, 1 pound broccoli rabe, trimmed and chopped, 1 pound Italian sausage, casings removed. You can use either sweet or hot sausage, whichever you prefer. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 to 1/2 cup grated Pecorino Romano. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Blanch broccoli rabe for 2 minutes, then remove and set aside. In the same water, cook orecchiette until al dente. Reserve 1/2 cup pasta water, then drain. While the pasta is cooking, heat olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet. Remove the casings and brown the sausage, breaking it into bite-sized pieces. Add broccoli rabe to the sausage and toss well. Add a splash of reserved pasta water to create a light sauce. Stir in the cooked orecchiette, adding more pasta water if needed to loosen. Remove from heat and stir in grated Pecorino Romano. Toss until well combined. Serve immediately with extra cheese and a drizzle of olive oil if desired. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more great recipes and tips.